Let's talk about cocktail cooking paddle skewer bamboo 18 cm x 100 Japanese style. Cocktail cooking paddle skewer 18 cm x 100 Japanese style. Wood bamboo skewer. Tray not included. These are a bit big as I wanted them mainly for burgers and they reach about 2 inches maybe above, but it just means I have to find fillings that'll make my burgers 2 inches higher, so I'm not complaining. Very good and strong make. These paddles are much better than the metal skewers I used before. No cleaning and just the right size to put together a portion size kebab. Very pleased with them. These are good value for money and the right size to fit my pan and to double the amount to use. I wash some and use in greenhouse and potting shed. Very economic and better than plastic or metal ones. Will order again.